The last game we lost 4-3. You can't really know much about that game because it was at a period of time where we are going for the Europa League, so we threw away most of our games in the league. This was one of those games where we started Fredrickson in defense. I think we also started, I'm not sure, but the defense was not good enough. We also started Hariamas in that game, and the inexperience that team showed. We lost 4-3, which was a good game, but we have not also won in Brentford at Brentford for a long time. The previous game that we played at Brentford was a 1-1 draw. We also played another game that we lost 4-0, the first infamous game for Man United when Ten Hag went to Brentford and lost 4-0. The other game we have to go back to 19th January 2022. That is around 3.5 years back, 3 years 9 months back, to find a game that we won. That was the game that we won 3-1 at